Did you know the Bhagavad Gita opens with a question? This single question opens the door to one of the greatest spiritual conversations ever recorded. So let's go to where it all begins. Chapter 1, Arjuna Vishada Yoga, verse 1. धृतराष्ट्र उवाच धर्मक्षेत्रे कुरुक्षेत्रे समवेतायुयुत्सवः मामकाः पाण्डवाश्चैव किमकुर्वत Sanjaya? Dhritarashtra said, O Sanjaya, after my sons and sons of Pandu assembled on the holy field of Kurukshetra, desiring to fight, what did they do? Dhritarashtra raises this question not out of curiosity but from anxiety and attachment to his sons. It reveals how attachment can cloud perception even on the field of Dharma. Here's a brief reflection. This verse shows a universal conflict. We often struggle between what is right and what we want. Dhritarashtra knows that Dharma isn't supporting his sons, yet his attachment to them makes him want their victory. I leave you all with this closing thought. Every journey begins with a moment of inner conflict. On that note, join me as I continue to learn the Gita, one shloka at a time.
अपना अर्पण